Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a cross-reference to a page number in Word and how to use cross-references effectively. When working with long documents, you may want to link content between different pages easily, and this feature helps you do exactly that. Let's see how it works step by step. Step 1, open your Word file and select the location. Open your Word document and click where you want to add the cross-reference. Step 2, insert a cross-reference. Go to the Insert tab and in the Links group, click Cross-Reference. In the dialog box under Reference Type, choose Numbered Item. Then check Insert as Hyperlink so you can click the link later. Under Insert Reference To, select Page Number. Choose the specific item from the list, click Insert and close the dialog box. Choose the specific item from the list, click Insert and close the dialog box. The cross-reference is now added to your document. Hold Control and click the link. Word will jump directly to the reference page. That's it. You've successfully created a page number cross-reference in Word. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about new tutorials. Thanks for watching.